Hey, what's up, guys? It's Thursday morning on September 24th, and here's a discussion of what to do in this market. So, the market has been on a crazy drop this whole month. Yesterday was no exception. We had a red day, pretty much everything, especially tech stocks, they were getting annihilated. So, remember, we had a position on Microsoft. We sold three cash secure puts on Microsoft for 192 strike price. So at the moment, I closed them yesterday at around $200 because I was looking at the charts, and it seems like the market is just getting weaker and weaker. And I'm not optimistic about tomorrow, which is today. And I closed the order at $1 loss each. So what's funny is I started the day at a full like $120 profit on these orders, but the market's just been losing its strength over throughout the day, and at the end of the day I decided to cut my losses and got out at minus dollar each. The only lesson I learned from that is that greed is bad, and I was greedy. I was trying to see if I can hold on to these gains, but looks like the market's not listening. So I should have sold them for some profit, but ended up losing a dollar each. It's not bad given that how Microsoft is doing currently pre-market. It's down $2. So these contracts would have been worth a lot more right now. So when the market opens, I don't know what to do at the moment. I don't feel like opening any more cash secure puts right now, because if you look at the market, everything's red right now, and they're pretty deep red. So in a market like this, if you look at September in general, September has been a sell-off month, right? Like since the beginning of the month, we've just been selling non-stop, keep going. Now we're down to like 320. So SPY went from 360 to 320. That's like a $40 drop, which is kind of similar to what happened in February and March when the market tanked. So I hope this is not another one, because like it's not looking good right now, because SPY is dropping out of its trend, its upwards trend right now. So we need a crazy bounce in the near term in order to stay healthy. Otherwise, we're going to be in a pretty long bearish market. And given the election coming up, it's going to be quite a bit volatile. So what is our move as a cash secure put sellers or option sellers? If you sell cash secure puts, you kind of want to sit on the sideline right now, because you don't really want to open anything right now, because things could drop just like that, right? Even for a crazy stable stock like Microsoft, it was at like 215-ish. Now it's like below 200. That's a lot of drop for a big blue chip company like that. So nothing's really safe. So my game plan going into this is to not sell any more cash secure puts in the near term until the trend changes or new developments come in. So I think that's the safest bet right now. I'm trying to stay away from volatility. Our overall profit is still good, 1814, and we have a investable fund of 446. But after Friday, tomorrow, I have this $84 covered call for Fastly. So right now, Fastly is dropping down to 86 pre-market. So at the high, it was at $94 pre-market. I was stressing out. I was like, oh, I was losing out on $1,000 worth of profit right there. But luckily, Fastly dropped. So that's about the right price. I really don't want Fastly to move any lower. So if it could stay above 84-ish, I'm happy to get my shares called away and be done with it. But I won't be sad if this close worthless as well, because if I get to keep 100 shares of Fastly, the only difference between now and last week is that the TikTok deal went through, at least on the American side. We still need to wait for China's approval, but that's really good news for Fastly, because they own 10% of TikTok's business. 10% of Fastly's business comes from TikTok. So either way, I'm fine. Like I said last week, nothing's really changed. I'm just looking forward to close this at full profit so I can go on with my life. The other thing I might do is, when the market opens, if Fastly drops below 84, I might close this for some profit and then roll it out for next week, at the same thing. So to get another, premium like $400-ish in. But that's the short-term game plan. But I hope that's all the plan is for today. But I hope the market turn around, because right now it's not looking so good. If you guys want to follow my trades, there's a link to the spreadsheet in the description below, and it's going to be really helpful for if you want to track my trades. Don't forget to subscribe to my video, and I'll see you guys next time.